Sarah was tired. She was exhausted from the daily grind, feeling like she was stuck in a never-ending cycle of work and bills. Tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worrying about making ends meet, tired of dreaming about vacations she couldn't afford, and feeling like her dreams were always just out of reach. One day she realized something had to change. She couldn't keep living this way, always stressed and never able to enjoy the fruits of her labor. It hit her while buying her daily latte, a small luxury that added up to a hefty sum each month. She started to see how these little expenses were adding up. She decided to brew her coffee at home. It was a small change, but it was a start. That simple change saved her $5 a day, almost $150 a month. It was a tangible difference she could see and feel. Sarah thought, what if I could make this money grow? What if I could turn these small savings into something bigger? This question sparked her journey into the world of investing. She started reading books, watching tutorials, and learning everything she could. She discovered that you don't need a fortune to start building a brighter financial future. Sarah's story isn't unique. Millions of people start investing with small amounts. They take those first steps, no matter how small, towards financial independence. You too can start investing even if you think you can't afford it. It's about making smart choices and taking control of your financial future. This guide will show you how. Step by step, you'll learn the basics and build your confidence. Are you ready to turn your spare change into serious savings? Let's dive in and start this exciting journey together. Imagine planting a tiny seed. You carefully place it in the soil, cover it up, and give it a little water. At first it seems like nothing is happening, but beneath the surface that seed is starting to sprout. Over time, with sun and water, it grows into a strong tree. This process takes patience and care, but the results are worth it. The tree stands tall, providing shade, oxygen, and even fruit. Investing is similar. Money you invest today is like that seed. It might not seem like much at first, but with time and the right conditions, it can grow significantly. It has time to grow, blossom, and potentially yield more seeds or returns in the future. Just like a tree can produce more seeds, your investments can generate returns that can be reinvested to grow even more. This is the magic of compound interest, which we'll explore more later. Compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time, as you earn interest on both your initial investment and the interest that accumulates. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Starting early gives your investments more time to benefit from compound interest, leading to greater growth over the long term. Even small amounts consistently invested can make a big difference over the long term. Regular contributions, no matter how small, add up over time and can lead to substantial growth. Don't wait for the perfect time or until you have a lot of money. The key is to start as soon as possible, even if you can only invest a small amount initially. The best time to start was yesterday. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity for your money to grow. The next best time? Right now. Taking action today sets you on the path to financial growth and security. Think of it like this. You're not just saving for retirement, you're saving for opportunities. These opportunities could be anything from traveling the world to starting a new venture. Maybe it's starting your own business, buying a house, or funding your children's education. The possibilities are endless. Or simply having the freedom to pursue your passions. Financial security can give you the freedom to do what you love without worrying about money. The sooner you start, the closer you are to achieving those dreams. Every step you take today brings you closer to your financial goals. Ready to plant your financial seeds? It's time to take that first step and start investing in your future. Let's explore the different investment options available to you. From stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds, there are many ways to grow your money. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert to start investing. In fact, anyone can begin their investment journey with just a little bit of knowledge and the right tools. The world of investing might seem intimidating at first, but with some basic understanding, you can make informed decisions that suit your financial goals. There are many beginner-friendly options. You can start by educating yourself through books, online courses, and tutorials that break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand information. This foundational knowledge will empower you to take the first steps with confidence. One popular choice is investing in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, often called ETFs. These investment vehicles pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. This diversification helps spread risk and can provide more stable returns over time. Think of these like baskets of different stocks. By investing in a mutual fund or ETF, you're essentially buying a small piece of a large number of different companies, which can help protect your investment from the volatility of any single stock. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket or stock, you diversify your investment across many companies. This strategy is known as diversification, and is a key principle in reducing risk in your investment portfolio. Another option is fractional shares. This allows you to buy a portion of a single share of a company's stock, even if you can't afford the full price. Fractional shares make it possible to invest in high-priced stocks like those of major tech companies without needing a large amount of capital. This allows you to buy a portion of a single share of a company's stock, even if you can't afford the full price. It's a great way to start investing in companies you believe in, even with limited funds. This method also enables you to diversify your investments across multiple companies, further spreading your risk. This is a great way to invest in companies you believe in, even with limited funds. Remember, investing involves risk. It's important to be aware that the value of your investments can go up and down, and you could lose money. Remember, investing involves risk. It's essential to do your research, understand the potential ups and downs, and choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Take the time to analyze different investment options and consider how they fit into your overall financial plan. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from a financial advisor if needed. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique financial situation and help you develop a strategy that aligns with your goals. They can help you navigate the world of investing and make informed decisions. A financial advisor can also assist in monitoring your investments and making adjustments as needed to keep you on track. Now let's talk about setting your financial compass with clear goals. Establishing specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals can provide direction and motivation for your investment journey. Whether you're saving for retirement, a home, or another financial milestone, having clear goals will help you stay focused and make informed decisions along the way. Imagine setting off on a journey without a destination in mind. You might wander aimlessly, unsure of where you're going or how to get there. Investing without goals is very similar. Before you even think about specific investments, define your why. What are you saving for? A down payment on a house? Starting your own business? Early retirement? Once you have a clear picture of your financial aspirations, you can set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART goals. These goals will act as your roadmap, guiding your investment decisions and keeping you motivated on your journey. Remember, your goals are personal to you. Don't compare your journey to someone else's. Focus on your own path and celebrate your progress along the way. Now let's uncover some practical tips to help you start saving for your investments.